Alright, get ready to have your mind blown because the strategy I'm about to share is a real Swiss Army knife of trading. Whether you're trading cryptos, stocks, future or forex, this strategy have you covered. And the best part, it's versatile enough to work on different time frames. So whether you're a day trader looking to make some quick move or swing trader playing the long game, this strategy is your new best friend forever. For example, I'm be using the Solana chart with the 15-minute time frame. Now, let's get down to the business by adding our first strategy indicator. Head over to the indicator section on the TradingView website and add the L1 buyback indicator to your chart. But wait, before we start using it, let's customize it to make the signals even more accurate. So let's dive into the indicator settings and give it a little makeover. Now our indicator is spitting out signals like a well-oiled machine. But wait, that's not all. Even though our indicator is doing a pretty great job at generating signals, we won't want to make sure we're not going against the market trend. So let's bring in a new indicator into our strategy called Trend Strength Over Time. Once you've added it to your chart, let's make the lines thicker on the style settings so they really pop up on the chart. This indicator has two lines, a baseline and another line that changes color based on the market conditions. If the line is green and above the baseline, it means the buyers are ruling the market. But if the line is red and below the baseline, it means the sellers are in charge. Alright, now that we've got our two trusty indicators all set up, let's talk about the rules for our trades. For buy trade, we need to wait patiently for buy signal from the L1 buyback indicator. Next, we need the confirmation from our trend indicator that the buyers are in charge of the market. Once both of these conditions are met, we have confirmed the buy signal for our strategy. Now, once you've entered the trade, it's time to set the stop loss. We'll use the most recent swing low for this. And for our first target in this strategy, consider setting it at 1.5 times the amount of risk in the trade. This will help you manage your risk while still aiming for a solid profit. Now let's talk about the sell trade. The rules are a bit different. First, we need to wait for a sell signal from our faithful L1 buyback indicator. But hold your horses. We're not quite ready to enter the trade yet. We need confirmation from our trend strength indicator that the sellers are in control of the market. So if both of these conditions are met, we have ourselves a solid sell signal according to our strategy. And now that we're in the trade, it is crucial to set a stop loss for the trade. We'll use the most recent swing high for this. And for our initial target, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 1.5 times the amount of risk in the trade. This will help you manage your risk and potentially maximize your profits. Now that we've laid out our strategy, it's time to put it to test and see how it performs in the wild west of the real market. So after conducting 100 trades on the Solana chart with a 15-minute time frame, our strategy had an impressive win rate of 71%. Over a period of 3 months, we managed to rack in a whopping 284% profit. That's pretty impressive for a 15-minute time frame. During these trades, we did experience a bit of a bumpy ride with a streak of 4 consecutive losses. But don't let that get you down. We also had an awesome streak of 6 consecutive wins. All in all, our strategy has proved to be a reliable and profitable approach to trading, but of course is no guarantee of future results. So always remember to trade with a caution and a solid plan.